This program is on governance and sustainability, organized by These Executive Minds, in partnership with Smith School of Enterprise and the Environment and Oxford University.
My name is Liadio Lagoke Salami, a Nigerian, and I happen to be the Accountant General of Oyo State, which happens to be one of the states in Nigeria. And actually, the problem confronting Africa as a continent is our inability to harness our human and material resources well. We are in doubt, there's no doubt about that, especially Nigeria being a developing country. We have abundant resources in human and material resources. But how do you get these people, things coordinated to yield result has been the bane of the society. And they're coming to Oxford University School, Smith School of Environment and Enterprise. I mean, leads credence to the observation that what is lacking in developing nation is skill. Skill and relevant and genuine experience to drive forward development. Therefore, it is an opportunity to be here considering the topics covered by the resource persons. They are very relevant, very germane, and these topics address the issue of development, that if all what we have acquired here are taken into consideration and allowed them to play a role in our individual lives and collectively, because most of us are from Nigeria, I know Nigeria will stand a better chance. Similar courses, I want the school to do more in the area of organizing programs in management, and which more or less revolves around human capital development. Even though there are so many trainers around, but most of them don't focus on management aspect. The basic qualification, we have that, but that is not exactly the problem that we are facing. The problem we are facing is to have on-the-job training and human development that lead to acquisition of more knowledge and require skills to harness and harmonize all these resources that I mentioned. So therefore, it is not a misplaced priority to be here, considering what we have gained, the exposure, the discussion, and the friendly atmosphere that prevailed during the course. Because of course we are focused, we know for sure that we are here to learn one or two things because of the problem of development harnessing our resources. And I am sure that the school has succeeded in even addressing that issue squarely as it is out. And also one will not even know that a 4-day program will do the wonders that this course has done. I never imagined coming for a 4-day program will actually influence my vision, and I see myself as a better person going back to Nigeria and going back to Africa, because if I allow all what I've acquired during this training to guide me, I will be better. I will be better, and this I even intend to spread to people by organizing a kind of in-house training where I have the partners with me to train others and also to encourage others to come. And like I said, I'm even ready to come here 20 times. This has been the first time I've been here in Oxford, and I've been hearing about Oxford University for long, and I know that that name also stands for, but now I am now convinced beyond reasonable doubt that school, the Oxford University, especially Smith School of Enterprise and Environment, has performed miracles, because even Hitler admitted that the use of force is for temporary, without creating an environment a conducive for, and everybody gained. And that is the magic. I mean, I give kudos to the organizers, kudos to the faculty people, because they have performed wonders. They have done creditably well, and this has also fired my enthusiasm to come for more and more courses, and also to spread the gospel when I get back home. So I am encouraging people to come for similar courses and future courses at the school. And we want to, dish out. Thank you very much.